Okay, welcome back to part 2. I'm not sure what I'm going to name both of these videos yet, but this is part 2. If you haven't, for some reason you didn't hear part 1, listen to part 1. All right. Part 1, I was talking about how you can help protect yourself, okay, from a spiritual standpoint and a physical standpoint. All right. So, some heavenly wisdom and some earthly wisdom, I guess. Anyhow, now let's move on to taking a look at how these accounts are doing, okay? And while I go through these accounts, I guess I'll kind of talk about a little bit of what I mentioned in the first video, and that's, what to expect in this current financial environment. And I'm not even talking about, the Forex environment like I mentioned in the ebook, and how I talk, normally I talk about how, the Forex environment, the financial environments and the storms that take place during the volatility, during the trading. I'm not even going to talk about that, because this environment, financial environment, I want to talk about is like the current global environment that we're in, okay? And what I believe it is, and where I believe it will lead us to, and ultimately like the end result, okay? And I don't know the time frame or how it's going to be and all that stuff. I'm not going to get too much into that, but I'm going to share with you what I feel about this, okay? All right? So, and I'm going to do it while I'm going through these accounts. These members that have joined our network. All right. So, let's take a look at another account here. Where are we? Okay. Let's take a look at another account here. So this person here, they've actually been making quite a bit. Let's look at, all right. So let's look at, this is a real account. So this is the first thing. Now let's take a look. They deposited $1,101, and they've profited $4,550. And they're currently at 5,280 and an equity of 6,532, and they have a credit as well. There's one running trade. Okay, so the current environment that we're in, there's some, and this is from me analyzing the markets. And I analyze the markets every single day. I analyze the Forex market. I analyze the cryptocurrency market. I analyze the indices market, the futures market. I analyze the commodities market. And maybe I might have left another one out. I don't know, but I analyze all those markets that you see on our daily financial market report, if you're a paid member, okay? And I was just stunned at what I've been seeing. I'm stunned. I've never even seen anything like that before. And I'm just thinking to myself, wow, how everything just kind of coincide, with the recent pandemic and the market situation, and if it keeps going that way, it looks like it could go into not only a recession, but a depression, and not only a localized depression, but a global depression, especially when I look at the futures market. Now, there has been some attempts to help boost, pump some money into the system. You know what I mean? The US dollar and the oil. All right. I know Saudi Arabia and another entity pumped like $450 billion. They're trying to get the oil prices back up, and they didn't do anything. They might as well just have thrown it into the toilet or something, because nothing happened. Nothing happened. That was kind of shocking. That was very shocking to me. I thought maybe that was going to start raising the price. And I said, well, and you guys look at my financial market report for the past year. We've been on point. And with oil, we didn't change it. We kept it just where it was, because that's where the market said it was, regardless of what the media was telling us. And I'm just thinking to myself, okay, I heard the news. They pumped the $450 billion into the oil, and it didn't move. And people started buying it. I'm like, no. Wait a minute. Nothing was going on. We didn't buy it. We didn't change the signal to buy. We kept it on sale. And sure enough, just go back and look at the report. For those of you who are paid members, you'll see it for yourself. These are some very strange times. So if our CMV continues to show what it shows now, go back, those of you who are paid members, go to the report, study the CMVs real quick, and look at what they're telling you. All right, that's unusual. All right. If you're not a paid member, you don't know what I'm talking about when I say CMV. Read the ebook, become a paid member. It's worth it. Why is it worth it? Well, okay. Are you prepared for that type of environment? Am I saying that a global depression is coming? Well, yeah, kind of. Yeah, I am saying that. Okay. I am saying that. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not saying when, and I don't know all the details. But from my analysis, I'm looking at it from a technical standpoint. Okay? I got what the media is saying, and they're reporting the fundamentals. All right? They're reporting the fundamentals, and I'm just looking, and I'm like, wow. All right. Did we look at this account already? This person, they've profited $24 for the month. Okay. Everybody's account is different. They made $137 and for the week. And so they're at $724 now. All right. So they're not at a loss. All right. Hey, this whole financial global depression, that could be a possibility. All right. I'm a realist when I need to be. All right. I am a realist when I need to be. I got some idealism in me too. All right. Because I want to be the type of person to see the brighter side of things. I got you. But when you see the reality of the situation, you can't stick your head in the sand and ignore it and pretend and close your ears and say, I don't want to hear it. La, 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 la. I don't want to hear it. You can't do that. You could do that, but that's not going to change anything. All right. There's things that are just the way they are, apart from how we feel about it. I can't just one day say, I don't want the sun to go up. I don't care. I don't like it. What is that going to matter? Sun's going to rise and it's going to set regardless of how we feel about it. You came here outside of your control and you're going to leave one day outside of your decision. There are things that are a part of this life and existence that have nothing to do with if you believe it or feel it or not. It's going to happen. It is what it is. Whether we like it or not. hey, so that's the realism and the realistic part of where I'm coming from. Okay? This whole financial system is going to collapse. I don't know when. It's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when. Okay? It's a matter of when. Well, that's currently, I'm not saying that what we currently see right now will, that we're on the brink right now, but I'm also not saying that we're not on the brink of it. I don't know. It could go either way. But what I'm seeing now, it's leaning really closer towards the first. Okay, the first point I made, that we could be entering into a global depression pretty soon. All right, let's look into another account. I'm going to close off this video, and I guess I'm going to have to make a part 3. What's going on with this account here? All right, let's see. This person here. All right, another real live account. Another member of our network. $180 in profit for the month. Let's see, for the week, 177. And this is where they're at. Okay, so I'm gonna close this video out. I'm gonna make part 3. Whatever title that's gonna be, that's what it's gonna be. All right, so this is Gabriel, the Forex Helper. Happy trading, happy investing.